south of the lake?
Yeah, I said I can book this.
Oh. So we've still got like another hour on the road. I thought it was near here because we're top of the lake.
Yeah.
Sorry, I thought you'd booked it. That's fine. That's better for tomorrow morning. Then we'd have a drive in the morning.
Yeah.
Sorry, I thought we were basically here.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. So we've got another 26 miles, 50 minutes.
We have a story to tell you.
Usually the team that's going to not hit you, it's going to hit someone else. So if you...
Yeah, boy!
He's better than the Thames, I'll tell you that much.
Hey guys, let's get you back in for a minute.
That sounded panicked. Rapids, and then it's just all go.
I'm so happy right now. How you feeling, bro?
So if you're ever thinking about leaving university, let me tell you. It's really important to stay in school, kids. As you may have noticed, we've decided to go rafting today. Yesterday we had a Maori experience.
That's the raft.
That's the raft. Yesterday we had the Maori experience, and that was great. This might be topping it though. Taupo then Wellington.
Falls.
We did Huka.
Trail.
Yeah, Huka Falls, Tongariro Trail. Got loads of stuff, mate. Goodbye.
Plenty of stuff, mate.
As you might notice, all on this side of the river, that's all forestry. You know, people pay a lot of money to cut all those trees down, and that's the Kayanga forest. Oh, Kayangaroa forest, sorry. And yeah, that's all just for logging and stuff. On this side is the Uruweras, and that's a massive national park. It's got some of the wildest places in New Zealand. All the pine trees and stuff you see on this side just been like stuff blown over from that side really, so they're all wild on this side and don't get cut down for commercial purposes. Cool thing about the Uruweras is kind of the story of how it got named. So pretty much what happened like way back in the day, some Māori chief went wandering up in the valley to go for a hunt, you know, and in the middle of the night he had a big fire going, but it got a bit cold. He was lying next to the fire and it got a bit colder and he rolled a little closer. Got a little colder and he rolled over onto the fire, and all they heard screaming down the valley was Uruwera, Uruwera, which pretty much relates to burning male genitals, and that is the name of this national park.
God, that's a bad smell. You can drink that water.
Alright guys, stand on up, try to make it all the way through here. What? This is the end. Guys, this is the full nature tour. We're just really trying to get you involved with nature.
Yeah, number.
This is Lake Taupo. It's lovely. Oh, it's not salty!
Lake Taupo, very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, if you want to go to a little bit,
Go on, man.